Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 7th question. What is that? A flagpole. So let's take it. This is the AB as a flagpole of 4 meter tall caster, 6 meter shadow, 6 meter shadows. And at the same time, a nearby building casts shadow of 24 meters. How tall is the building it is? So the building height, what is that? So we have to find what is the height of the building and which is cast the 24-meter shadow. Before that, flagpole already it is there 4 meter and shadow length will be equal to 6 meters. So let's write what are the given conditions. Height of the flagpole, let's write it. Height of the flagpole, the AB will be equal to 4 meter. Then what is the length of the shadow of flagpole? So length of shadow, length of the shadow of flagpole, that is, what is that? BC will be equal to 6 meters. BC will be equal to 6 meters. Then what is the height of the building? So we have to find what is the tall is the building. Height of the building, let's height of the building, we have to find it. Height of the building will be equal to PQ. Then what is the next one here? So the length of the shadow of the building, length of the shadow, let's write all the given data. Shadow of the building, that will be equal to, what is that? QR will be equal to 24 meters. 24 meters. Next, what you have to find it? So from the figure, according to the data, what there are here is, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So similarity criterion, you can use it here. So by using of similarity criterion, the sides of this, ratios of the sides of the triangles here, it will be equal. So AB by, let's take it, AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR. So AB is that what is that? 4 by PQ. So we can write it PQ as it is. BC will be equal to 6, QR will be equal to 24. So 6 ones are, then 6 fours are. So 1 by 4 by PQ will be equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply. Let's take it. PQ will be equal to 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16 meters. So PQ will be equal to 16 meters. So this is so PQ is tall of the building or height of the building. Height of the building will be equal to PQ, that will be equal to 16 meters. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.